Want to work on cutting-edge defense electronics for India? Then you need to know about BEL Bharat Electronics Limited, one of the top dream companies for electronics and telecommunications students. BEL is a Navratna PSU under the Ministry of Defense. It designs and manufactures advanced electronic products for the Indian Armed Forces, like radars, communication systems, and electronic warfare tools. So how do freshers get selected in BEL? There are two main ways. First, through GATE. Second, through BEL's own written test. BEL focuses on core electronics concepts. So revise these subjects well. Electronic devices and circuits, digital electronics, communication systems, control systems, microprocessors and microcontrollers, signals and systems, basic electrical and network theory. Let's look at some actual questions asked in BEL interviews. What is the difference between a microprocessor and microcontroller? Explain AM and FM modulation. Why is modulation needed in communication? How does a flip-flop work? What is the function of an OPM? What is the difference between ADC versus DAC? Name or types of antennas used in communication. HR questions like, tell me about yourself. Why do you want to join BEL? Are you willing to relocate? Tell me about your final year project. Here's how to crack BEL as a fresher. Start with GATE preparation. Solve previous year BEL papers. Practice technical questions or HR questions. Be ready to explain your project in detail. Apply through BEL Career Portal or PSU Job Updates. BEL is not just a job, it's a career with impact. For more such company guides, interview questions, and electronics tutorials, subscribe to ENTC Junction.